All right. Box out of the way. Hey. 2018 MT-09. Bath. We've also got either stretched or tight linky poos. You can see here, slack here, a little roll right around there. Look at all that. A little more, it's just tighter there. Pretty tight there. Super loose. Loose. Tight. I can see it's tightening up pretty tight. So anyway, yep. Mike spends a lot of time outside under a cover. It probably didn't help so much, but got about 10,000 miles on it, so I'm not crying. Got a new front and rear sprocket and chain, and we're gonna see how hard it is to put them on. Gonna start by pulling the rear tire off.
Estamos prendidos como el sol, de tanto farra hace calor. Estamos prendidos como el sol, me pide más y más, hasta que haga calor. Ella quiere jugar.
Okay, no cream. Oh shit, bro. I didn't actually even think about that. I still gotta break my chain. Whoop. Why not do it right in the old deck trap? Let's throw some legs up. Diggity dog. Miss B would be proud. We have achieved separation. Now I believe the kit is cut to length for the size. You know what I mean? for the sprockets. And the bike. Shout out to Sprockets Center. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's it. For not committing to 2-day shipping. Even when I called up and they asked if I could pay to expedite it. And then turn around and hooking me up with free 2-day shipping. So, woo, woo. Ow! And get a little bit of John for the John boys. Yeah, she's on. Got this baby cleared out a little bit for clearance. Yeah, I know it's filthy. I'll clean it for sure. I'd rather just get it together before the sun goes down. Really? When does that ever happen? Right. Making a wee bit of a mess. Hey, Maggie, baby. I love gold. Well, yeah, the battery died, but here's a little aftermath. Probably some excessiveness. Grinder would have made things a little bit easier. I still got to torque down, adjust and torque down the front, collapse it, so on and so forth. But yeah, gonna hang with the pup for a minute, clean up, and torque down hopefully before the sun goes down. Take this thing on a rip. We are now +1 tooth in the front, so hopefully I can actually get on it a bit without wheeling all the time. Not even gonna take too much. Mr. Maggie! They'll stay on a breakdown, mate. Wow. Wow. Time to clean her up, clean up my tools, go for a test drive.